Hello students, this is Swapna. I am going to give lectures on design and analysis of algorithms for BTech CSC students. This is the syllabus of design and analysis of algorithms for BTech CSC students. The topics we are going to discuss in this course are: first, introduction. In this introduction, the topics covered are algorithms, asymptotic notations. The second one is divide and conquer method. In this methods, the topics are merge sort, quick sort, Stresson's matrix multiplication. Third method is greedy method. In this greedy method, the topics covered are optimal storage on tapes, knapsack problem, job sequencing with deadlines, minimal spanning tree, single source, shortest path. The next topic is dynamic programming. In this dynamic programming method, the topics covered are all pairs shortest path, optical binary search tree, 0/1 knapsack problem, reliability design, traveling salesperson problem. The next one is basic search and traversing techniques. In this, we are going to discuss about the BFS, DFS and or graphs. The next method is backtracking. In this backtracking method, the topics covered are 8 queens problem, graph coloring. Next method is branch and bound. In this branch and bound, the topics covered are 0/1 knapsack problem, traveling salesperson problem. This is the syllabus of design and analysis of algorithm.